Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download a T4 Sleep PDF from CRA My Account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for T4 Sleep on CRA My Account. Then open this first website. Then it will take you to this one. Next, all you need to go down and then click on option 2 and sign in into my account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where your tax slips are listed. Look for T4 slip and select to open the document. After opening the slip, you should see a download option. Simply click to save the T4 as PDF file on your device. If you don't see a download button, don't worry. You can right-click on the page and select Save As or choose Print and then select Save as PDF as your printer option. This will create a PDF copy on your T4 that you can save, print or share whenever needed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.